Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're working on this Mitsubishi Outlander. We are actually reinstalling the rim that we had refinished for this car. And once that rim is reinstalled, we're gonna park it at the side and let it dry out because the paint job is really fresh, as you can see. If you're enjoying the videos, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.